Hello students. Now we are going to do our next topic, chemical properties of acid and bases. In this video, I am going to take up only three chemical properties of acid and bases. The first is reaction of acid or base with the metal. See, reaction of acid with the metal or base with the metal. First, we will write the basic equation. Acid, what is this? Reaction of acid with metal. Okay, what it forms? It forms salt plus hydrogen gas. If we take an acid like HCl and a metal like zinc, so what kind of reaction is this? Okay, I'll write in the inverted way, different. Zinc plus HCl. We have done this reaction in the first chapter. Yes, it is a displacement reaction. So what it forms? It forms salt. So zinc should react with the chlorine. Zinc with chlorine. The valency of zinc is 2 and the chlorine is 1. By doing crisscross, we will get zinc chloride, which is a salt. So ZnCl2 plus hydrogen get released. You can write in this way or in this way. So whenever a metal reacts with an acid, it forms salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, let me take one more example. Magnesium plus HCl. You have to follow the reactivity series because this is a displacement reaction. So more reactive metal should displace the low reactive metal from its compound, or more reactive element should displace less reactive element from its compound. Okay, so magnesium will take the place of hydrogen and hydrogen will take the place of magnesium by forming a salt called magnesium chloride plus H2. Similarly, iron plus HCl gives rise to FeCl2 plus H2, iron chloride. Okay, these are all displacement reactions. So acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus hydrogen is the displacement reaction, that which you have done in the first chapter. Now, what will happen when a base reacts with a metal? It also forms salt plus hydrogen gas. Now take a base like sodium hydroxide. When it is made to react with the metal zinc, it forms sodium zincate. Zincate, that is Na2ZnO2 plus H2. See, this is sodium zincate. Okay, now how this is formed? Zincate we have not done in the grade 9th. Sodium's valency is 1. Zincate is ZnO2 minus 2 with the valency of minus 2. By doing crisscross, you will get Na2ZnO2. This is the new thing we are doing in this 10th. So this is an important reaction, how sodium zincate is formed. When sodium hydroxide is made to react with the zinc, it forms sodium zincate and hydrogen. Similarly, when NaOH is made to react with the aluminium, this should be in the form of, it should be aqueous solution. So we want water also. It forms sodium aluminate. Now what is aluminate? See, sodium's valency is Na plus 1. Eliminate AlO2 minus 1. By doing crisscross, NaAlO2. So this is sodium aluminate, a different kind of salt, plus hydrogen. All the equations should be balanced. So when base reacts with the metal, it also forms salt plus hydrogen gas. When acid reacts with the metal, it also forms salt plus hydrogen gas. But with the base, these reactions are important. Only 2 reactions we are doing with the base, and these 2 reactions are very, very important. They are being asked in the board exams. Okay, so these 2 reactions are very important reactions. So please concentrate on this. Now we'll go with the notes. Reaction of acid and base with the metals. When acid or a base reacts with the metals like zinc, magnesium, they give salt and hydrogen gas. These are displacement reaction that you people have done in the chapter 1. Okay. Now similarly with the base also we are having zinc plus sodium hydroxide. It forms sodium zincate plus hydrogen. Similarly sodium hydroxide with aluminium plus water, it forms aluminate plus hydrogen gas. Our next chemical property is reaction of metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with the acids. See, basic reaction I am going to write. Reaction of acids plus metal carbonate. What it forms? It forms salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Okay, we will see. Take an acid HCl. Take a metal carbonates. A simple example, Na2CO3. What is this? This is sodium carbonate. Now it should form, sodium will react with the chlorine and it should form a salt called sodium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. This is the basic reaction. You have to move according to this reaction. So acids plus metal carbonates gives rise to salt, water and carbon dioxide. Similarly, acids with the bicarbonate. Acids plus metal bicarbonate. It also forms salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Suppose if we take a bicarbonate metal, a metal of bicarbonate, that is NaHCO3. This is bicarbonate. What is bicarbonate? HCO3 minus. So whenever a sodium reacts with the acid, it forms salt. Salt means NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide. Please balance the equations. I'm not balancing, but you have to balance the equation. Is it clear? Okay. See, in this reactions, the carbon dioxide is released. How to know that the carbon dioxide? What is the test to show that carbon dioxide is released? So when this carbon dioxide is released, is passed through lime water. See, the carbon dioxide which is released is passed through the lime water. What is lime water? It is calcium hydroxide. The other name of calcium hydroxide is lime water. When you take the carbon dioxide and pass through calcium hydroxide, that is lime water, it changes into milky. The lime water changes into milky. The milkiness is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. Is it clear? See, how to test the carbon dioxide gas is coming out. For this, what you have to do, take out the carbon dioxide gas which are coming from the above reaction and pass it into the lime water. It changes the lime water into milky plus water forms. Okay, this milky is due to the formation of calcium carbonate. When excess of carbon dioxide is passed through it, go on passing the carbon dioxide in this calcium carbonate. So what we are going to do? Again we are going to pass the carbon dioxide to it. The milkiness disappear. due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate, and you know that how calcium bicarbonate is formed. See, valency of calcium is 2 plus and bicarbonate valency is -1. Crisscross CaHCO3 twice. So milkiness disappears due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. This is an important question. How can you test the presence of carbon dioxide gas which is coming in the metal carbonate reaction of metal carbonate with the acid or metal bicarbonate with the acid? So what you will do, the carbon dioxide which is coming with the which is coming out in the above reaction will make them to pass through the lime water. It changes the lime water milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. When excess of carbon dioxide is passed through it, the milkiness disappears due to the formation of calcium bicarbonate. Is it clear? So once we will go with this reaction of metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. When acids reacts with the metal carbonates and bicarbonates, they give salt, water and carbon dioxide. Take one example. HCl plus Na2CO3 gives rise to NaCl plus H2O CO2. Similarly, HCl plus NaHCO3 gives rise to NaCl, water and carbon dioxide. When this carbon dioxide is passed in the lime water, it changes the lime water to milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. When excess of carbon dioxide is passed, then milkiness disappears and the solution becomes clear due to the formation of the soluble calcium bicarbonate. An important question. This is an important question which can be asked in your board exam. Okay. Now our next reaction is, one more example you can take with the metal bicarbonate, that is calcium carbonate plus HCl. So what it will form? Calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Now the last reaction of acid and bases. This you people have done in this in the junior classes, that when acid reacts with the base, it forms salt plus water. This is a neutralization reaction. I am taking an acid HCl and a base like NaOH. Which salt it will form? Sodium chloride. Chlorine will react with the sodium to form sodium chloride, and H will react with the OH to form water. Similarly, I am taking one more KOH, potassium hydroxide. It forms KCl plus H2O. Let me take one more example. If we take sulfuric acid and made to react with NaOH, what it will form? Na2SO4. Na2SO4 plus H2O. So these are the examples of the neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When acid reacts with the base, it forms salt plus water. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Now we'll go along with the notes, that when acids reacts with the base, it forms salt and water. This reaction is known as neutralization reaction. So basic reaction is acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. So these are the examples that we have done. One more we can do, HCl plus NH4OH. What is NH4OH? NH4OH is ammonium hydroxide. HCl plus NH4OH. So you have to form a salt. Take NH4 and make it react with the chlorine. NH4 valency is +1, chlorine -1. What it will form? Ammonium chloride, NH4Cl plus H2O. Okay. So these are the reactions. So now we are going to end till here. Thank you.